Show your fall spirit with this simple beaded candy corn bracelet. For this project, you will need white, yellow, and orange beads. Here I've got 5mm E-beads. You can use whatever size that you want. Embroidery floss or beading cord, 2 beading needles, scissors, and a ruler. To start, cut 2 pieces of embroidery floss or beading cord about 28 inches each. Hold the 2 pieces together and tie a knot in one end, again holding the pieces together, leaving about a 3-inch tail. Now thread a beading needle onto each end of your floss. Thread 1 white bead on one side of the floss, and then take the other side, the other needle, and thread it through in the opposite direction and pull it through. Adjust the bead so the knot sits at the top of the bead. Thread on 2 yellow beads, again onto one side of the floss. Send the other needle through in the opposite direction. So you're basically forming a loop through your beads. Pull it up tight and snug against the first white bead. Then repeat the process with 3 orange beads. Pull them through, line them up, and pull the threads snug. And then to complete one candy corn, thread on 4 orange beads and do the same thing. Now you've completed one candy corn. So start the process over with 1 white bead. Make sure that it is centered against the 4 previous beads right in the middle there. And continue on, making enough candy corns so that it fits around your wrist. So you don't want the candy corns to overlap when you try it on your wrist, but just leave a little space in there so that you can tie a knot with the tail ends. My bracelet has 8 candy corns. Yours might be more or less depending on your bead size and wrist size. So tie the ends of the thread, your last candy corn, so that the knot sets right in the middle of the last 4 beads. And then clip off the ends, leaving about a 3-inch tail. And then you can get a friend to help you tie it around your wrist, and you're finished. Subscribe to my channel for more holiday crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week.